Seeya Live is an app that claims users can earn money by going live, hosting chats, performing, interacting with viewers, and receiving tips or gifts during live broadcasts. The concept is similar to live streaming platforms where creators monetize engagement with an audience. At its best, the app works like a live content platform. You host a live broadcast, people tune in and watch, send virtual gifts or tips, and you convert those tips into earnings. If you already have an audience or can attract viewers, you can generate some real income from regular streaming or solid interactions. But there is a catch. In many apps like this, earnings can be slowed and unpredictable. Revenue depends heavily on audience size, quality of content, viewer generosity, and the app's rule around conversions or withdrawals. Some platforms perform or require minimal thresholds, charge platforms commissions, or enforce strict rules about verifications before payouts. All these can delay or reduce your actual take-home amount. Moreover, apps that promise high earnings for little effort should raise red flags. If the app suggests you can make thousands easily without much audience building or content quality, it's like overstated. Also, some users have reported that tips or gifts are inflated and not backed by real monetary value until converted via strict, often expensive internal mechanisms. Now, Seeya Live may offer real earning opportunities, but not guaranteed ones. It's closer to a revenue sharing content platform than a get rich quick scheme. If you're willing to put in the time, build an audience, and navigate the app's rules, you might make something worthwhile of the app, but don't expect passive income right out the gate.